So the time is pretty close to 8 o'clock. I supposed to open my chat at least 7:30, but I was late 30 minutes today. Even though I wake up 7:10, I couldn't make up on time. I'm gonna delete all those things here. Let's go all the way back to weekly since today is Friday, right? To go all the way back to weekly, yeah, it's a nice selling though. It's a nice rejection candle, so we can expect the previous week low is our target for now, I guess. It's fantastic selling, right? So as soon as it sweep this uh big candle, like sweep this liquidity, enter this bullish fair value gap, it's go all the way up towards this fair value gap. Once it completely reprice this fair value gap, it start to reject. And you can see one more thing here. It's a nice continuation. As soon as price it's kind of flip this fair value gap. Yeah, it's kind of flip this fair value up to the upside. People might confuse to buy here, but the thing is, the whole swing we got this inversion. So this inversion most probably acting as inverse because we don't find any fair value gaps here. So if this swing going to give any kind of pullback or going to reverse, if this going to continue, this should be the optimal level. So that's the reason why I keep on marking this level for 2 days, and it's beautifully acting as inverse, beautifully stopped exactly at this point and sweep the previous day high, like the Wednesday high, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, good buying, strong buy, sweep. Now it's strong sell, so I expect the price to reach weekly low. I don't think it's going to approach or not, but the weekly low is our target right now since the price is super bearish. So weekly low is our target, not according to higher time frame wise. Okay, the 5 hourly gap flipped but failed to hold, and it's beautifully acted as inverse. Nice selling candle closed below this level, closed below this previous day candle, which means strong bearish, and it's keep on continuing towards downside. So expecting, and it's pretty much cleared out 2 days low, right? So I expect the price to reach the weekly low. This is our draw on liquidity for today. Weekly low is our draw on liquidity. What about 4 hour? Do we have anything in 4 hour? In 4 hour, yeah, bro, nothing to talk about. It's clearly sweep this liquidity. It's keep on going higher until it's reached this point. Once it reach this point, this inversion, right? Once it reach this inversion, this fair value gap, this liquidity, it start to sell off. Big big flip, come all the way down. Once it reached and what again? Like go all the way up, tap this fair value gap, rejection, come down, and it's literally flip this big inversion, bro. Big fair value gap. It's literally flip this big fair value gap, bro. I consider my selling until this point, but it's kind of flipped and keep on going lower. So it's nice flip. It's keep on going lower, straight down more, and price entering the extremely discounted for our sorry bullish fair value gap. I don't think it's going to hold. It's too. I expect the lower prices, but still I expect the lower prices at least. Expect to see price to reach this low since it's flip all the fair value gaps. So I'm not sure about that. So just move on to currently it's reacting to this fair value gap. Okay, here just marked out inversion. So it's our inversion candle for our inversion H4 inversion. So this is our H4 inversion, right? Okay, and this is our bullish fair value gap H4. So H4 bullish. Well, yeah, got it right. Yeah, this is a hatch for bullish level here, but then what happened in 1 hour? It's a nice selling, bro. It's a nice, huge selling to this point. This is a flower area which we got here, not yet met. It's kind of huge dump, bro. I don't find anything here. No structure, nothing. Just a quick dump to the downside. It's keep on going. It's keep on going up, up, up. Once it reaches this point, once it clear out this liquidity, it start to sell off dramatically. Expect this selling to all the way to this point, but it's kind of clear out this liquidity as well. So this is the main push, right? This is the main push. This is one pullback. This is the main push. So it's pretty much clear out this liquidity. One, two liquidity has been taken. 2 days low has been taken. Um, so this is the fair value gap in 4 hour. Um, yeah, yes, there's a lot of probability for this fair value gap acting as inverse since it is in the right location, like in the equilibrium level, right? Yeah, equilibrium level. Don't come up with a lot of things. Just see the price action right here. Circuit has been taken, come all the way down towards this range. This is an inversion plus H1 5 alligator. So I don't think it's still not get approached, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Do you know any photo of our yet? No. Mhm. I don't know whether we have some news today or not. Yesterday we had a lot of news, but I don't find any good volume. Yeah, we find a good volume, but not a grammatical one. It's like a standard volume. H4 inversion. This is the main push to the downside. That's great selling, bro. It's a great selling. Hey, guys, ready, guys? This continuation. And it's kind of huge, sir. Come all the way down. There is no buy model. Nothing, bro. Just keep on selling, selling, keep on selling all the way towards this. Yeah. Let's clear out this major liquidity and also this liquidity. Entering this zone. Expect if it is bearish, if it is, I don't think it's going to go lower straight away like this. It might give some pullback because it's expanded pretty much how many points, how many pips, 150 pips. So it might give some pullback. Let's see. It's that simple, bro. Honestly, too. If I raise $500 and make $1,000, it's gonna be three damn trades. If you're just focusing on honestly too for three trades, that's it. I'm past the challenge. Now I'm getting funded. That's it. It's that simple. All I need to do be patient enough to sit to take three good quality trades with 1% risk. If it is blown, if it is a blown, if I blow that account, if I blow in that effort, in that attempt, it's okay. I'm gonna buy another one. What's wrong with that? Nothing wrong with that. Until you pass the challenge, you just keep on going. Just invest some money. You can take all the money back in your first in your first or second payouts. So it's very small. It's a very small amount, so you don't need to worry about that. All you need to do just follow the process and follow the protocols. That's that's what most important than your profits, bro. According to high time frame, I don't think I can look for something. I don't find anything with a huge selling. Yesterday it was dumb clear I can short here, so I just short here. That's fine. But today it's clear up majors liquidity. It's going to go lower or it's going to go higher. But according to higher time frame, it seems like super bearish. Super bearish. So it's better to go with the trend. Let's try to look for some sort of short opportunity. I don't know where I can short go. I don't find any travel apps. I don't find anything here. 1 hour. Nope. If the 4 hour 4 hour candle close, if it leave this travel gap as travel gap open, so we can look for some sort of sell model here and targeting the lower prices, at least this low, right? But it's a clean fair value, right? It's a clean fair value. I guess, right, I do have a shift next week, right? For this whole move, it's pretty much come to the important level, bro. So we can look for some sort of reaction and some sort of pullback, at least to this inversion level. That's what's my plan today. Let's wait and see whether we have something to look up here. I think. If I'm bullish, if I'm planning to buy, I should wait for this earlier. Breaker inversion this earlier. And in 1 hour, that's still the same. I should wait for this fellow to get tapped. Because this is the place where I get a lot of things. So I'm shooting H1, H4. So we have M15, H1, H4, family gap here, bullish family here. I just focus on H1. I still didn't approach this point, right? Yeah. And we also have this inversion, family gap, never getting tapped. So we can look for this guy. We can look for this guy to see something out of it. If it's not holding, then obviously it's going to be the drawn liquidity. But until then, I don't have any access to go for anything. Yeah, just wait till reach this point. Then what happened? Then we can look for some sort of pullback. And I don't think it's better to go for short today since the market is super bearish. Market is super bearish, right? So how the hell I need to bought this market? Damn. It's better to short here, bro. It's better to short here. This is the fair value which I got. This weekly go up. So as soon as I get some kind of reaction, I can try to edge. So At 8:45, I'm just gonna have some plans for Nasdaq. Damn, beautiful selling. Asian selling, London selling, New York selling, again New York PM selling, Asia, London. It's keep on selling, bro. It's keep on selling. It's a beautiful sell off. So let's stay on 5 minutes. I don't think I can go even further since the price is not in a good place to look for. If the price inside this range, we can look for some sort of pullback for this whole swing. Otherwise, this is a drawn liquidity. This is a drawn liquidity. So what I'm trying to say is, 1:2 is pretty good, bro. Yeah, my projection, my drawn liquidity, everything is good these days, so I can expect more. But the thing is, we don't need to add more pressure into a system, right? If you're risking good amount of money, and if you catch, if you're able to catch 1:2, like then that's it. That's everything, right? So if I'm risking 1% and making 2% consistently, then there is no doubt, there is no confusion with trading, right? Yeah, I just come here. I know that one is to do is it's my target. So I'm not gonna hold my trade beyond that. So how long it's gonna go, I don't care. How much further it's gonna go, I don't care. Um my max target is 1:2. Yeah, 1:2 or 1:2 or 2.5 max. 1:2.5 decent. 1:3 great. If I maintain 1:3, it's great. 1:1 to 1:3. Beyond that, you don't need anything. All you need to do focus on the risk. Focus on the risk component. Why? Yeah, you have to risk consistently and try to catch 1:2 to 1:3 consistently, which means it's a great thing. It's a great thing. If you're risking randomly and if you're risking randomly and catching random take profits, which means you don't get proper data, bro. You don't get proper data. You don't know what the hell you are doing. All you need to do have a consistent risk, consistent risk, and then what? Consistent risk reward ratio. Standard fixed. That's max. 1:3 max, bro. Yeah, you can scale all the way up to 1:8, 7, 9 because my model says that. I can hold the trade up to that point. But you don't need to hold the whole position, bro. You have to close at least 90, 80% of the position you can closed exactly where you should close. Using the statistical number, not the drawn liquidity or nothing. What you should do, close 80% of the position. Once the price reach 1:2, you should make your entry to break even, and you also close also close 80% of the position. Then what is your confident drawn liquidity? What's your drawn liquidity? What's your confident level? So in that confident level, you have to take something off from the table and you final and let the market run towards the final drawn liquidity. That's it. Or else you can trail the entry all the way towards the target. But most of them you get stopped out because my model, it's in order to go lower, it should go higher, right? So it mostly go higher and come lower. So you get stopped out at the point. Sure. The clean trendline liquidity, bro. This is going to be the low liquidity lower. We don't need to bother about anything. Just wait and watch the price action, bro. SMT is real. You have to compare the Euro USD and GBPUSD, which is very important, bro. You can be smoked every single day. You can smoke the market every single day if you are comparing two pairs. So in my future, what is my plan? I have two laptops, not a two laptops, two monitors. One monitor here, it has ES and Nasdaq, and one monitor here it has GBP USD and Euro USD. So I can trade. I can sit here. I can sit here and watch. I don't need to change the setups in my screens. Like I don't need to change the setups in my screen. So all I can do is just focus on this market. At the meantime, not the meantime. At the same time, I can trade Nasdaq. Sorry, GBPUSD, the pass. So that's gonna be amazing, right? So I can see both markets. So I can have four chats, like uh, not to see the SMTs thing, and I have one chat I know completely what I'm doing. One more chat I don't need to know a lot of things. All I need to know the raw liquidity, what's price doing at that point of time. That's all I needed. So I don't need to think too much. As soon as I get the entry, I just entered with minimum risk and yeah, minimum risk and not a minimum risk, my fixed risk. Then what? Then what is to do? Boom. Damn, bro. It's fucking damn sad. It's fucking $462, bro. They only pay me $460. I earn $200 less. How the hell I can manage $439? Payroll only $439, bro. Holy fuck. 439, and they're using that $500. So using that $500, how the hell I can manage to pay? I don't think we don't have rent to for this. We don't have rent for this month. But after August, we don't have any plans to stay. We have to give the first month and last month. Hmm, kind of sucks me a lot badly, bro. 462.65. I just making $439. For the bi-weekly, I just only making $439. How the hell I can purchase that account then? How the hell I can purchase account then? How the hell I can give that $50 to him? How can I manage all those things? I have to give the utility fee to him. Would got more hundred above more than $100. Damn. Speed, structure shift. What happening here, bro? I'm not gonna trust this. If it get flipped, if it reprice to this level, we can enter. If it not get flipped, which means something not good. The 0 USD kind of like no SMT, nothing. That's all. I'm not gonna enter this position, bro. I'm not gonna enter. I had to wait for a long time. If I don't get any entry today, it's more than fine than executing a bullshit position, because the last 2 3 days it was market was super obvious, very clear, and give great moves. I didn't execute any positions. I'm just not great. So today just Friday. I don't want to burn myself out. I just said if it is printed very clearly, I can enter a position. Otherwise, no, nothing. Do we have any news today, bro? It sucks me a lot badly, bro. Money. $400 and $400 on par. $400 now, which means $20,000 rupees on par. We can send. Why the hell it's flipping here, bro? That's the reason why I said I'm not gonna trust this. This is not a good model. Even though if it is a good model, I don't want this. I don't want to trade this kind of models. Doesn't make any sense to me. Just sit on your hands with 5 minutes, bro. In 5 minutes, you don't have anything. Just sit on your hands with 5 minutes. Please just rebalance to this 5 value gap. What's happening inside this range? If I'm not wrong, it might get free, and this value holding the price, pushing lower, or else this value pushing lower. Yeah, high, low, break, break. So I'll give a chance. If 8:30 we do have a core durable goods orders amount. in formats and durable goods order. Just a orange folder, not, nothing to worry much about. Just a orange folder. Mm, I like change this font like this. I don't like this font. It's very hard to find that. $400 அனுப்புனாலும் கூட எப்படி சொல்லி சமாளிக்க முடியும்? இன்னைக்குதான் 25 because how it will take at least 2 weeks, 14 days. It will take at least 14 days. This week or next week, I need at least, right? Well, the 2 weeks I only work for 13 hours, but 13 hours, 13 hours. So that's the reason I got very less. But if I get $600, it would be great. $400, what the hell I can do with $400? No. Like my room rent, my utility is more than the $400. This is what I make nowadays. $400. I'm not working as much. If it's not whole, then this is the obvious drawn liquidity, and this would be the liquidity this, and if it get displaced, and this would be a liquidity zone. Yeah, you start a sell off now. Now it's good interest. Yeah. Take this high. It's fair to take this high. So now we can enter the position for anticipate. Quick 1:1, quick 1:2. Mm, I'm just gonna execute the position in what? In my challenge phase. In my challenge accounts, nothing more than that. Mm, GBP USD, USD order. Let's put $4, 4 lots, and short here, and you can anticipate the price to reach this liquidity zone. So if I'm just executing position here, right? I'm just executing my position here. So this is my risk. So I want to make at least 1:2. Should be my take profit. 5.5, which means I need 11, right? 12, 12, 12 is more than 12. Yeah, 12. Beautiful, bro. This is what I planned. So quick scalp here, short. Exactly at this point, it's a bit late. So short here. Put this targeting this point 1:2. Damn, how do you 1:2? The hell is that 1:2? 10 position. Another with 4 more lots. Just set the standard risk below 1.35. I entered, bro. I don't want to think too much. It's flip. It's create fair value gap. It's holding. So this one is 1.5. Boom. Let's make it 1 is to 1.5. So this is my stop loss. If it hit, I'm wrong. I accept that. So it's interesting, right? 1 point 1.34536. 1.34536. 1.34536. Okay, modify 1.34536. Boom. Modify 1.34536. 1.34536. Boom. Beautiful, bro. Closed it. So this is our game plan. I'm expecting where the price will go. Mm-hmm. So this is where I execute my positions. Uh, this is where I execute my positions. This is my stop. So I expect the price to reach. Give 1 is to 1.5. Should I expect 1 is to 2? It doesn't it make any sense for me or not? 5 minutes. Yeah, it's a good push to the downside. So I can expect some continuation to the downside. That makes some sense to me. Mm, yeah, yeah. No need to bother about that, bro. Just let's make it honest to do. Let's make it honest to do. Let's make it honest to hit the take profit. You're good to go. Let's make it honest to do. Quick scan. Bam. It's bleeding, right? If it hits honest to do, we are close the position. We are up. Boom. Great. That's the magic of honest to do. It's still not hit or take profit though. But we can anticipate the price to reach that low. That's a reasonable point and reasonable price to look up for. My execution kind of bit late, but still I'm looking for ownership too. And my risk is standard, so I don't need to bother about anything. Really nice execution. Put the stop at the high, targeting opposite liquidity. Let's wait and watch how it's going to fold. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You don't need to bother. You don't need to worry about anything. Just wait for 10 more minutes. Time is 8:34. 8:40. We can move to other time, other futures market. You're not supposed to do this kind of things. That's very important for me. It's a challenge phase, and I'm up pretty much good amount. So so I'm just executing a trade with according to my plan. I expect this whole thing is just a liquidity, so I expect it's get ran through. Yeah, that's my plan, and it's working as per my plan. I expect the price to reach the liquidity zone. Then if it's going to higher, then it should form some sort of price action here. Then it's gonna go higher. Let's wait. So let's put some alerts here. So we don't need to bother about this and put some alerts here. So if it reaches this point, which means we are wrong. I don't like to see any place reach this point now. So once it reaches this level, we are good to go. We're fucking good to go. Yeah. Seeing this kind of price action is pretty good, right? It's great actually. So what I'm gonna do here, just move on to just wait and watch what's going to happen. Just wait and watch. You're not seeing any price PNL. I'm not seeing any PNL. I'm not seeing anything. I'm just watching the price action. According to this data, I can expect this. And I saw what? I saw the SFT printed, so I expect some flesh to the downside. So I expect some flesh to the downside. SMT printed, the manipulation has been happened, and so it's because it has a low five value gaps here, so we can expect some flesh to the downside and cash the move and just walked away from the game. Yep, it's pretty much bit close to a take profit. Let's hit on to two now. Let's hit on to two. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why the hell you reject me? What happened to you? So we have two fair value gaps here. So I don't like to see any price close above this range. And we have one more fair value gaps here. Let's wait and see. Quick one is to do. The thing is, as soon as price will get into this level, as soon as price get into this level, I should execute my position. But I didn't actually. I executed my position here. I should execute my position right here. That's a good thing. But I didn't. Let's wait and watch how it's going to fold. So what I'm gonna do is let's close one. Oh fuck. Let's see what's the price is going on. Holy fuck. I'm up pretty much. Close one. Don't think too much. I'm up. I'm getting greedy. Yes. I'm closed it. And I see the price, how it's going to reach my take profit. How much I'm up? I'm up. What? Pretty close to 2%. That's everything, bro. That's what you need to do. You don't need to bother about anything. That's everything. You don't need to bother about anything. Yeah. If I wait, it would give 2%, but still it's okay. What's wrong with that? Friday, still is good. What's wrong with that? So it's 460 and 320, which 390, which means 852. Yeah, $150 below, $150 away from 2%. Yeah, that's nice. Getting back some profits gains. So yeah, gaining back some profit gains. That's nice, right? That's kind of nice. Quick scalp here. Quick scalp, pretty quick scalp. Putting good loss, accumulating good loss, put the stop at the high. Good expansion, move to the downside. This is a take profit for sure. This is a confident liquidity. But according to my projection, I expect the price to reach at least this level since it has since it has good thing. Yeah, it's a good flash, bro. Let's keep on selling. Fuck. Let's keep on selling to the downside. I'm just fucking closing it. Okay, fine. After a long time, I've just made some good profits in a good sniper scalp. Yes, I clearly understand this liquidity, engineering liquidity. As soon as price reaches this point, I see the SMT. I just entered. Boom, one shot to hit. If I'm just sit on my hands, I'm up 2% today. Yeah, I'm up 2%, bro, and still keep on going. It's kind of strong push to the downside. I didn't see any kind of anything, nothing here. It's a strong push to the downside. After once it break, once it reach this point, it's a strong push to the downside. Strong sell going on as of now. So it's not even stopped at 1:2. It's not even stopped at 1:2. It's keep on going lower. Pretty quick scalp. Quick 1 is to do, but I closed my position at 1 is 1.5. Yeah, I closed my position right here, right? I closed my position at 1 is 1.5. I'm not letting the market to hit my take profit to 1 is to 2. At this point of time, I was like, uh, at this point of time, I was like, just close it. Uh, just close it. What's wrong with that? But it's clearly give me 1 is to 2. If I just hold the position, I'm up pretty much. One plus two, exactly two. If I'm not wrong, I'm 2% up. If I'm just hold this position to this point, I'm up 2% today, which is nothing but it's just nothing, bro. It's kind of $250 or $150. It doesn't matter because after a long period of losing streak, you can clearly see the PNL here. I can show you the last week. This is my PNL. Was purely red, 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 red. So taking one nice green is good, right? Kind of big shots and keep on losing some money out of the market. So this fellow recovered, this fellow got recovered, and this fellow's been remain pending. Quick scalp, right? Quick scalp. Reason is very simple, bro. Break, like please keep on breaking the levels. As soon as please tap this level inside this value, it's. I can clearly see it's engineered liquidity. It's not a valid policy. It's engineered liquidity. It's going to get ran through. So it's reached this point. I got 1 minute confluence. This is the initial manipulation. This is the initial manipulation. This is the initial manipulation holding the price. And Euro USD take this high here. It's not print SMT here, so it's a clean SMT for me. And it gives a structure shift plus 5 get flip. Once it's done, I exit my position, put the stop at high. That's nice. The second execution should be here, but I didn't. I was a bit late. And my target was this TP1, but I didn't. I hold all the way towards 1 is to 2. But before it hit my 1 is to 2, I was like close my positions. That's kind of sucks me a bit badly because if I hold the position, I pretty much up $200 to $400. I pretty much up $200 to $400, but easily up $400, which means 2.5, easily up 2.5% in today's execution. Because I put very big lots. I put 4 lots here and I put 4 lots here and I just scalp until this point and just walked away. Not even this point, bro, this point. Here I just closed it. Honest 1.5 closed it. Honest 1.5, boom, closed it. Closed the position. But it did give honest to 2.5. But I don't want the honest to 2.5. All I want honest to 2. If it gives honest to 2, boom, I'm up 2%. I'm risking 1%. Kind of I'm risking 1%. I'm taking profits, not even 2%. Yeah. Which means I'm risking 1%, but I'm not take profits 2%. I only take profits 1 is to 1.6 or 7. That's fair enough, right? That's fair enough. I'm in a losing streak. I was like, I was not in a losing streak to be honest. I'm doing the same shit. So technically, I can close my position here, but still we have the fair value at here, so we can expect the price to reach this point. Second thing, it's a clean SMT structure shift. So if I plot this where it's printed, let this know what happening here in 5 minutes. This is the last printed fair value gap. Let's mark it out. Let's mark it out. It's a good scalp, bro. I had to journal it out. As soon as I done with my session, I had to journal this trade. It's a good quick scalp, right? Nice trade. Weak push. Once I get the good displacement entered, put the stop at the high. Boom, sell off, nice sell off, and nice sell off. Three candles, three consecutive big candles. You can clearly see weak buyers, strong sellers, weak buyers, strong sellers, weak, strong. The sellers are in control right now. It's kind of strong. We can clearly get the strong bearish candles. Mm, okay, just delete this right now. And I just want to focus on this fellow. This price reached my billing price in 15 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of strong. So it's kind of strong. So I didn't expect this much strong. I expect the price to reach this level, but not this, not like this. It's fucking strong. As soon as it tapped the breaker, it's kind of strong sell off towards this. This is a potential, bro. In a matter of not even in a matter of 10 minutes, not even a 10, yeah, in a matter of 10 minutes, next to two candles, right? Not even a two candles. Under the 10 minutes, I'm up $800. Under 10 minutes, I'm up $800. If you just hold only to two, I'm up 2%, which means 1% $1,000 in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I make $1,000. That's what I'm telling to you. You have the lot of potential. All you need to do is just focus on the game, focus on the process. The strong selling signal, so let's wait what's going to happen. It's kind of keep on selling towards downside. Quick flush. So once it get ran through, I don't think it's going to get ran through. Just a manipulation to the downside. So we can expect some pullback potentially to this point. I don't think, let's see bro. You don't need to bother about anything. Just wait and watch. But it's kind of strong sell, bro. Kind of strong sell. You don't get anything. It's kind of keep on selling to the downside. So obviously the down is going to be lower. It might keep on going lower and lower towards this liquidity. After clear of this liquidity weekly low, we can look for some sort of buy entry. Just a buy entry here. Until then, we don't have any access to go for buy. We have to look for sell. Inside this range, we can look for sell, but the price is pretty strong, right? The price is pretty strong. Yeah, that's why you just follow the game. You're not. I'm not following the rule. I'm just closing just because it gives only 1.6 and I'm on good profits. If you're asking me whether it is right or wrong, I can tell it's not right. It's not something right I can do. It's not something right I can do. But the thing is, it's sort of high quality valid setup. So I'm not supposed to put this much lots in this kind of models. Like yesterday, I can put that. I can do that. Yesterday was a great day. So 77, which means we are 5% up in this account. Uh, So let's see what's happening inside this value. Whether it's going to flip or if not, that's it. Next I want to draw on this liquidity zone. What happened after this? I think I risk $600 to make $800, which is not something feels good. If I make $600 to make $1,200, that's something cool. But it's okay, bro. It's okay. No worries. No need to worry. No need to bother about anything. Because according to me, it's going to keep on selling, and this is the extremely discounted fair value gap in high time frame H1, H4, M15 fair value gap. And here we might get some reaction, might not get some reaction. Who knows? No one knows, right? So that's the reason why I don't want to risk here because it might just tap and replace towards some liquidity zone. It has the chance, it has the potential. That's the reason why I'm just closing it, even though it's kind of bleeding downside. But actually, it's a good sell. It's keep on going. It's a good sell. It's keep on going. If I'm just sit on my hand, if I'm just sit on my hands with 5 minutes, to see this kind of candle life after this candle. In this candle, I just closed it. In this candle, I can close it. Here I can close it with only shoot. Ah, fine, bro. Failed. Particular. We did it really great. Hey, scalp, good scalp. I did it really, really great. So this I'm sitting on 5 minutes and just mark and just put some alerts here. So I don't need to bother about anything. I'm just go on to Nasdaq and see what's happening right there. Nasdaq. If I'm catching good quality entries with this kind of precision, with this much lot size, then then think about it, bro. Then think about it. I easily crack the challenges. I easily crack the challenges. The problem is me. I'm not be patient. I'm not be patient first thing first. And I'm not wait for any kind of confluences. I just I'm just keep on executing the position and expecting something to happen. You have to wait for good amount of things. Today I'm trade with good clarity, bro. I've just put my entry, put the right stop, and expecting the right take profit. And it's clearly hit my own issue. But I'm the one not able to sit tight and just closed it. It's okay because according to me, I might expect some buy model here. So that's kind of psych. That's part of psych acting like a pro. You are sitting inside the high time frame bullish value gap, so it might give some reaction. So you don't need to bother the profits. Just close it. What I can do, I just close one profits and let one profits run towards my take profit. That would be great, right? And the problem is that's my take profit. So fine, everything is all right. Don't need to bother about anything. Delete. Oh my god, my mom called me in the morning. I didn't respond. First thing first, I have only 30 minutes. I have to complete this analysis here. Damn, it's beautiful by you. What's happening? Yes, it's keep on going higher and higher. It's break. It's a good push. It's kind of facing upside. It's kind of buying upside. So previous day candle high has been taken. Yeah. So the major liquidity has been taken here. Absolutely no problem at all. So daily, what about daily time frame? It's holding good push, consolidation, still inside sweep. So we can expect some lower prices right now. Got it. But the thing is, Price inside the H4 bullish gap, so we can't expect any lower prices. If the price structure shift give structure shift flip, we can expect lower prices. Until then, we don't have any access to look for short. It's inside the big bullish H4 5 gap. Okay. What about daily? 4 hour. The day has been sweet. Let's keep on coming lower. This is the neck. This is the important swing low. So I'm running up that holding the price free. Yeah, that's kind of seems like we can look for some short opportunity here. Hmm. So this is so these are H1 bullish fair value inside the wholesale. It's a premium fair value gap holding. Sweep all the high. Keep on selling lower. Okay, one thing here. 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we get a structure shift, flip, big displacement, keep on selling. 2 o'clock. So we can expect this should be the draw on liquidity. And the money thought like, oh, it's getting going to get smoked. You have the thought like I'm going to make this, I'm going to make that. No, this is my game plan. This is what I'm looking for. This is like super good. So I'm going to risk this much. So I like to take only to two from whatever I'm risking. That's it. That's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Inside this range, we need to be bullish and targeting higher prices. If it flips, we can target this liquidity. That's it. Nothing more to talk. Oh, yesterday the candle. Yeah, yesterday the candle, the 4 or 5 hour gap, they kind of accumulating here and speed are lows and keep on going higher. Keep on going higher, then come down, then going up, come down, going up. Still price just consolidating around this range. For me, it took that buy side liquidity and it gives a structure shift in 15 minutes and it started display lower, so I expect lower prices. As soon as it's flipped this level, I can expect this is the wrong liquidity. I can some expect some lower prices here. This is one wrong liquidity and this is one wrong liquidity. So all we need to do is just expect the price to have to go ahead anyway. So this is one wrong liquidity. If this value of getting flipped and it's break this level with big displacement, we can expect lower prices since it is a first leg and second leg and high time frame. And if the price keep on holding here, if the price sweeping this if the price sweep this liquidity or it's kind of printing some market buying model inside this range, we can look for this is wrong liquidity and it's we can expect some continuation. Mm, as of now, I'm just gonna sit in. But I'm just wanna sitting here. There's a lot of value gaps here. It's keep on accommodating. EBPல எதையோ எடுத்திருக்கு. எத எடுத்திருக்கு? Damn, bro. Damn, bro. This is what I'm expecting here, bro. This is the reason why I closed the tape. Let's move on to 15 minutes. Let's close down at 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour holding. Beautiful 1 hour holding. 15 minutes, kind of instant rejection. Boom. 5 minutes. That's a good push. Is there any SMT for me to look up for? Damn, SMT. 906, 9014, 90614, bro, SMT. So what's the risk here if I execute my position here? It's 19 pip risk. So I just want to put some $250 here. Execute the $250 risk. What's the optimal point for me to look for an entry? Is it this? I just put one lot here and I want to put more lots here. Divided 1.5. Nice breakout. So I just put 1.5 here. And inside this fair value gap, I can add more position, bro. Right? Mm, if it's flip, it's good. If it's not, then it would be not a good end. Then wait and see. Modify 1.5. It's not a big risk though. It's close above. Good sweep. Close above. So I got the structure shift. So I kind of put my stop there. Here it's good. I put my stop at this point here. 1.34186. 1.34186. 1.34186. Okay. So what I can expect from the market, if it leave the fair value gap here, that would be awesome for me. I wanted to see a fair value gap created here. So I can put some limit orders here and put the stop at this low again. This is what I expected. That's the reason why I am not holding that position very I'm close it. But still you could hold the position at least 1:2, right? That's very important for me. The time is 9:27. I have to go to that place as well. Just delete this villa right now. Plus manipulation to a substitute. So if it create a leaf earlier, that would be great. If not, then that's not nice. So this is where I expecting the price to go. That's nice. Okay. Mm, but I think sorry. If I leave this area open, then awesome. Then awesome. Again an SMT. If you leave this value open, then that would be an awesome thing I can do. So this is my plan right now. 928. What's all about 928? What's going on in MNQ? Mhm. So Asian session, London session law has been swept. One point three four three one zero. 1.34193. So it has been set. So now we can move to MNQ. Holy shit. Up to 12 o'clock we have time. Does it print? Does it print? I tweeted around. I tweeted. It's what I tweeted. Yeah. That's the reason once you put the stop, once you put the enter, you shouldn't add anything. So like, yeah, great, great. I don't like to see any place close below this line. Once it's close below this line, which means I'm wrong. Then I have to close it and walk away. So I just keep my stop here. And this will be a decent place. Yeah, doesn't make any sense. Still, as soon as it's closed, yeah, as soon as it's closed inside, I wait to see this file get closed, bro. That's it. That's what I need to see. Inside the 5 minutes, what's going to happen? What is that? I don't know. Just wait for the 5 minutes. What happens in these 5 minutes? If something good, I'm good. If something wrong, I'm wrong. I don't find anything valuable right now. But if it closed below, if it reached this point, I just closed it. That's everything. Which means I'm wrong. Which means I'm wrong. I'm totally wrong. That's a sector shift. It's going up, but the value I expected not hold, and and it doesn't make any sense to me. So far, let's clearly flip the fair value gap, bro. Yes, call it up. Distribute failed this fee. That is seller. This 5 minutes shows the context. 5 minute close. I need that 5 minute close. The point is, I like to see this value flip, but I didn't. Good push to the upside. Yeah, structured break. I got the structured break. I execute my position here. Anticipate the price to flip this level. Anticipate this value to hold. If it hold, I'm good. If it's not, um, yeah, I'm just on a close up position. Even though it's going towards my direction or not, I don't care. If it's a hold, then that's it. That's everything. That's everything what I expected to. So the fish flows. It's kind of weak cell, so I can anticipate as per my wish to this point is the max level, but what strong by structure shape. It's cleanly weak and like so it's not be able to come with any other. So I don't need to bother. Damn. Yeah, bro. That's all. That's everything I want. From close date. Don't think too much. Hereafter, it doesn't make any sense. No, it's going to go lower. So let's wait for the major liquidity to take its failure. And now anticipation is not. It's not right. So how much? Yeah, as per English, it's just 2.5 to $50 risk. 280. Yeah, not much. Just 280. So okay, then this is one liquidity zone. And there is one liquidity zone. Once it has been taken, you can look for something out. Or else if this 5 area closed over, and then kilo flip correction observable as a given entry. 5 minutes about clean everybody. 5 minutes about clean everybody. How clean it is. 5 minutes. Again, same line. எதுவுமே நடக்கல. நீங்க என்ன கான்செப்ட் நீங்க செல் பண்ண what concept which made me to go for sell the same concept. Press rebalance to this breaker where it's getting tapped at the breaker and this will get exactly stop here. As soon as it's get flipped, you can go for short, right? As soon as it gets flipped, you can go for short. Press. What happened? Hold, inversion, elevating target. Start, short, stop of the high, target opposite liquidity. That would be nice, but but it's late right now. But it's late right now. As soon as it gets flipped, you can short with the stop of the high, targeting opposite liquidity, but still it's okay. Now it's late. Liquidity soup, still 936, 940. சும்மா மெஷின் மாட்டாரு கூட சும்மா. ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ என்ன முடியல அடுத்து பயமா இருக்கு. Good sell. quick continuation. Comments what's liquidity below. Down. It's clean engine liquidity. Wait for the major liquidity to take, bro. What major like not in dollar we can put in dollar like ఇప్పుడు నేను సమాజ ఓటున్నది కాశీలో ఉన్నది ఇట్లే సరిயான రైతా అన్నమే పొడి కాసుకుని ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి కదా ముఖ్యం liquidation, conversion, inversion detail sorry. Market open, market open, and then low, sweep, multiple distribute, then inversion, enter, produce over this low, targeting and then initiative. Because if you control variable detail and the payment for calculator, unlimited, and the loss, initial enter, start with this low, and then hit enter, and then hit enter, and then liquidity. The situation tempted me to clear at another attempt that actually by in terms of work on high time frame is something in the farm out. High time frame is still it's keep on selling. I don't find anything. So it's going to release this. The liquidity business I'm just going to look at the trend line liquidity. At least we are that. We are at least ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು எடுக்குது இல்லையோ வீட்ல எடுக்குது இல்லையோ வீட்ல இந்த வீட்டு எடுக்கணும் ஒரு வந்துட்டு இல்ல இல்லைன்னா இதுல தள்ளுது खत्म सर एक पे for the interview select commission doing under English later Urfa Chinese let's look structure the meaning forms so not claimed so flipper in buying from there flipper buying from there flipper the only one that means one flipper and damn so the it's fucking working so it's fucking damn working market opening first printed for valuable inverse light sheet illuminated start this low targeting opposite liquidity investor to ingechelewa investor to damn quick constitution కావాలి నీకు ఎంట్రీ మిస్ பண்ணிருக்கேன் வச்சு வந்து ரெகுலேட்டர் டிபி அம்மால வேற அம்மா ரெகுலேட்டர் மார்க்கெட்டு லண்டன்ல ஸ்வீப் லண்டன்ல ஸ்வீப் ஏஷியன்ல ஸ்வீப் மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன் லிக்விடிட்டி ஸ்வீப் லிக்விடிட்டி ஸ்வீப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரிஃபர் யூ கன்வர்ஷன் வச்சு என்டர் ஸ்டாப் at the low target ரைட் லண்டன் இனிஷியேட்டிவ் இந்த இடத்துலலாம் என்ன பண்ணி நம்ம பிரேக் பண்ணி போட்டுடலாம் டிக்ளேர் வெயிட் பண்ணி பாருங்க 53 பார்த்து 53 சீரியஸ் After profitable issue. Damn. Again, ஃப்ளிப்பாகல எடுக்கலாமா அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஹெசிடேஷன் இருக்காப்ல. நியூ ஆர்டர். But when it happened, Mala, let's have something in this night. 2.5, boom, 2.5. But பண்ணியாச்சு ட்ராப் ஆன் மட்டும் பாரு ட்ராப் ஆறு சொல்லி முடிஞ்சு டே முடிஞ்சு. So final entry for the day. Stop would be this low. I like to see anybody. It's a clean stick issue, right? Stick issue. So expect the price. It's already flipped this big five area. So I just wanna put my stock here. 1.3427 1.3474. Modify 1.3427. 1.3427. 1.3427. Boom. Enter the processing here. So yeah, as soon as it's get flipped, we are good to go. I understand the tiny speed. Yeah, it's not a tiny speed, but I would call on. Yeah, it's still print SMT here. It's tiny sweep or that it's not SMT. As soon as it's flipped this bevel here, we can enter the position here to stop at this low. That would be great, but I was a bit late. But still it's okay. This is the second entry that I executed right here. I'm targeting what? Targeting at least this 1:2. Yeah, 1:2 is more than enough. 1:2.5. Why not? 1:2.5. Go. I like to see it's flip the firewall gap. If it's not, if it's closed, again it's a structure shift go. All I wanted to see this getting flipped. I don't think it's going to getting fucking flipped. Does it make any sense or I get trapped? 920 high taken. Beautiful. How can I know whether I can trust this mod or not? Yeah, to give a structure should bro. Structure should flip. We are cleanly target this guy. So I don't know, holy fuck. SMT, boom. Structure should boom. Whenever you are to the leader, getting flipped, boom. What else you count? Mm, clean target. Again, for the political distance. There's a clean target. And to get flip, I don't identify which was position. This is the one in the target printer. This is what I'm targeting. So what's the stop loss here? My stop loss would be if break image goes it's even stop loss signal stop loss active the only level early black country. Criminal reason only. The criminal account at 1.3430. 1.3430. 1.343, yeah. 1.343, yeah. 1.3, lunch parent coverage. Done. Take pocket for church and now church. It's like getting flipped. But all I wanted to see எனக்கு இது வந்து ட்ரஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியல இன்னமும். இன்னமும் இது வந்து ஒரு ட்ராப்பா இருக்குமோன்னு மனம் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. Let's wait and watch. 15 minutes close பார்த்தா தெரியும். எனக்கு வந்து பார்க்க போயிட்டே இருக்கு. Liquidity sweep, strong expansion. Market open, liquidity sweep. Facing the place still inside the 15 minutes or more from earlier. Market open, liquidity sweep, strong expansion towards daily high. So daily high and towards the daily high. At least 11 head over the London high. Yeah, Asia range, London range. So Asia lo taken, London lo taken. Asia order high, London high taken, London. No more interest. Precise or regular. Take perfect. இன்னும் அதால சார் இன்னும் 7 எடுத்துட்டு ஸ்டாப் கீழே போட்டு டார்கெட்டிங் செஷன் முடிச்சுட்டு போக முடிஞ்சு ஈஸியாகவே நிறைய Boom. New order. Sorry. Modify. Stop. That should be the same place. Clear. Fuck that shit. ரொம்ப zoom பண்ணி ரொம்ப காணாம. ஒரே டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் கிடைச்சு சூப்பர் இல்லாட்டி இதானே சார் வாங்கிட்டு பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இன்வெர்ஷன் எடுக்கல எடுத்துட்டு கீழே சாப்பிட்டு வச்சுட்டு டேம் டெய்லி வந்து இதே மாதிரி வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் டெய்லி என்ன பார்க்கறது எதை பார்க்கறது ஒன்றும் புரியல 5 minutes நீங்க வரையிட்டு எடுத்துட்டு பேசிட்டாங்க நீங்க if I like to break on things kind of right. புரியல. நாஸ்டாக்லயா? இல்லையே, நடக்கலையே. இதுதான் இப்போ அடுத்த இடத்துக்கு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். லைவ் மார்க்கெட்ல தான் எடுக்கல. சும்மா சேலஞ்ச் மிஸ் எடுத்துட்டேன். Oh, 10:08, 10:20, 10:08, 10:20. Clean SMT bro. Selling SMT பண்ணிட்டு இது எனக்கு ட்ரஸ்ட் பண்ணவே பிடிக்கல எனக்கு. எனக்கு ஸ்டில் லோ. இங்க இருந்து பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் வச்சிடலாமா? வச்சுட்டு எல்லாம் ஒர்க் தான் ஒர்க் ஆகணும். அப்புறம் அதை வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். 14 என்ட்ரி ப்ரோ, ஃபைனல் ஃபக்கன் என்ட்ரி இதேன்னு சொல்லி எடுத்து எல்லாம் போய்விட்டு விட்டேன். Gbpusd, new order. So, final entry, 4 lots. Let the market. Boom. அவ்வளோதான். ஒரு தானே மேலே க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா முடிஞ்சு. அண்ட் தான் ஸ்டாப் லாஸ். வேலி எடுத்தாச்சு. 1.34412. ஸ்டாப் அடிச்சு 4 hours ஆனால் க்ளோஸ் ஆகிட்டு மாடிஃபை 1.34412. முடிஞ்சு. இது ஹோல்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா ஹோல்டு, இல்லைன்னா உங்க வீட்டுக்கு வாங்க. திருப்பி பை பண்ணுறதா சொல்லி திருப்பி பை பண்ணுறதா சொல்லி திருப்பி பை பண்ணிடலாம். போனா பண்ணி என்னடா சாரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க இது மாதிரி. One point three four three five five. 1.34355. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்து எல்லாமே தப்பா. 1.3435. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ண எல்லாமே புல்ஷிட்டா. Seperti Allah Bhutan and Trison seperti itu. Then found trading knowledge equal to the profit. It's the profit equal to the donate all my profits. I made how much? I made 800 and no more than another today PNL. Today's PNL plus $21. Damn, right? இன்னைக்கு சௌரியத்தை தொழில் இப்பதான் ஒரு ஆட்டம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு இப்பதான் மட்டும் டைப் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் க்ளீன் அண்ட் ட்ரை க்ளீன் டைப் பண்ணுறது ஒன் டூ தௌசண்ட் 2000 கற்று முடிச்சுட்டு போயிருந்தா எனக்கு எப்படி இருந்தது திருப்பி வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணேன் லாஸ்ட் 2.5% மறுபடியும் ட்ரை பண்ணேன் மறுபடியும் அகைன் க்ளோஸ் டு 2.5% ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 1% லாஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு எங்க more than 2.5% place it big lots now what happened for the game இதுதான் நடக்குது எல்லா நாளும் இதுதான் நடக்குது எல்லா நாளுமே நான் கேட்டால் 1 மினிட் போகாது 5 மினிட்ஸ்ல தான் ட்ரேட் பண்ணி 5 மினிட்ஸ்ல மட்டும் ட்ரேட் பண்ணல அதுவே ஒரு சில 5 மினிட்ஸ் ட்ரேட் பண்ணி ஒன்று ஏன்னா இட்ஸ் லைக் Damn. Honestly, I'm really good to know. അത് മോഡൽ എടുക്കണം ഇവിടെ എടുക്കില്ല എന്നിട്ട് എടുക്കില്ല Damn. Tinggal di Nah, salary popolare popolare only 92 $250 minimum break now. Mm, new stop losses. Trade stop 1.3481 modified. Eligible stop. So let's see. Is it 20% available? 20. Then round it with them. சொன்னல சபரி something fishy, something fishy, something fishy. இந்த பாத்து வந்து செம்ம புல்லிஷா இருக்கு சார். செம்ம புல்லிஷா இருக்கு. ரிவர்சல் டெம்பிள் கரெக்டா இருக்குதான் தெரியல. செம்ம புல்லிஷா இருக்கு. ஸ்டோக்கி சுத்த க்ளீன் புல்லிஷா இருக்கு. இந்த ஒரு இந்த ஒரு இந்த ஒரு இதுவுமே எனக்கு இல்லை இந்த செல் போல சொல்லி You know, time is sweet, no? Structure play night. The one with you might lose such a thing again. It's purely normal. That's a place might lose such a inside the hotel weight, it's kind of big push, nothing break running. 1.34 to 81. 1.34 to 81. Okay, this is gonna be the stop loss 1.32494. 1.3, sorry, 314, 1.31494 modified. 1.34294, okay, 1.34294 modified, 24. Okay, and 1.34310. Onde Italia também. Cammino fino alle cose migliori in vita. Non scegliendo per trasformare. Non scegliere per trasformare. Io devo scegliere per fare. Io devo scegliere. Ora sono devo vedere. No, io per fuori lo scontento per tutto anche sempre. வாழ்ந்தது எவ்வளோ நிமிஷம் சோலி முடிஞ்சு ஒன்றும் என்ட்ரி கிளீனான என்ட்ரி மிஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இதுக்கப்புறம் போய் அதுக்கு மேலே என்ட்ரி எடுக்க வேண்டியது. Close to 1% on Friday. Close to it. అది చాక్లెట్ తీసుకొని ఎన్ని ట్రీట్మెంట్ నాటికి నాకు కొట్టినది మార్కెట్ ఎందుకంటే 1 minute కూడా నీకు పోయే కూడా అసలు యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ యాక్సెస్ టు గో టు 1 minute బికాస్ 1 minute ఇట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ யோசிச்சு இந்த இடத்துல எந்த மூமெண்ட்டுமே இல்ல நீ பைக் பண்ணா அடிதான் செல் பண்ண அடிதான் என்ன ப்ரைஸ் கீப் ஆன் அக்கோமடேட்டிங் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 15 minutes இன்னும் ஃபிளிப் ஆகல அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு So stuff form on 15 minutes. So what is it? Look, please. Mm, mm, mm. The flip பண்ணி பாரு opposite directionல. The opposite direction flip பண்ணி பாரு. Equals. I just flip this thing. Equals. Equals. Liquidity has been taken. One more time taken. Print a significant swing low, swing high, swing low. Fail to make a higher high. It's form a structure shift. It's give a structure shift here. Go all the way up. Sweep the internal, or as soon as it's sweep the internal, it's flip the inversion. So I enter my position right here. Okay, I consider this like to see this high, this high continuously getting protected until what is my draw liquidity. So if I print my last manipulation to the structure shift, so my target would be this equal lows, and my final target would be this guy. Let's see how it's gonna work. I just flip the direction and kind of equal lows. Liquidity sweep high, low, kind of. This is where I get the stuck issue here. This is where I got the structure shift. Structure shift. As soon as it sweep the internal, what happened? Flip, clean flip, enter, put the stop at the high, and targeting the opposite liquidity. Targeting opposite liquidity. This is what I observed here. And price still inside the 15 minutes, still price still inside the 15 minutes fair value gap, price still inside the high time frame fair value gap. And what I want to see here in Euro USD, whether it prints some SMT or not. By the time it print this high and this 9 10:08 last high 10:08 the last high high में फॉर्म वाला last high 10:24 but 10:08 is it so 10:08 so it's printed SMT higher high போட்டுட்டே போயிருக்கு இங்க இது and the stoplights and the lower hypothetical. So it's started weak. So this is where I get the structure shift. Structure shift and structure shift strategy, the fire which we got ran through. Internal sweep, inversion, enter, put the stop at the high. Tight up the base action. Holy crap. இந்த அளவுக்கு மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்க முடியும் ஸ்கில் தான் பார்ப்பது இந்த அளவுக்கு மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்க பேஸ் ஆக்சுவலி காலையில ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துருக்கேன் let's keep on accommodating there bro it's an accommodation phase clean accommodation phase good expansion neat accommodation yes yeah good expansion neat accommodation I take you to one question in my live accommodation I got that right now clarity lamp technology right Nangalapa it's been taken sorry it's been taken low go all the way up it's been taken low go all the way up sweep the liquidity, right? Sweep the liquidity. After that, what happened? Market make a sell model. After that, what happened? Market make a sell model. You can clearly see the SMT. You can clearly see the SMT, the last value gap that holding the place now got ran through. As soon as it sweep the internal, it gives some emotion enter. How many people are going to put the stop? 5 people. Target 1:20, 1:4. This is how you need to precisely execute your questions. If it is not a market make a sell model, it is not a market make a sell model. It's not going to give this kind of impacts. நெட்டையும் நீங்க ரெகனைஸ் பண்ண தெரியல இதை பார்த்தோன்னா க்ளோஸ் பண்ண வெளில வந்துடும் இந்த மூவ் இருக்குன்னா ஜஸ்ட் மேனிப்புலேஷன் மூவ் கோ ஆல் தி வே அப் ஸ்வீப் த லிக்விடிட்டி ஒன்ஸ் இட் ஸ்வீப் த இன்டர்னல் இன்ஸ்டன்ட்லி இன்வெர்ஷன் ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷன் ஃபிளிப் பண்ணி பார்க்குறப்ப இங்கே எல்லாமே டம் கிளியர் ஆகுது நிறையா செல் பண்ணி இருக்கிறதுனால ஸ்டாப் வச்சிருந்தா இட்ஸ் ஃபக்கிங் வின்னர் பட் இட்ஸ் ஓகே இன்னைக்கு இது போதும் இன்னைக்கு லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் ஐ டிட் நிறைய ராங் வே இங்கே ஒரு என்ட்ரி மிஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு ஈவன் தோ ஐ எம் ஃபேக் ஈவன் தோ ஐ சி எல்லா லிக்விடையும் ஸ்வீப் பண்ணிட்டு இன்வெஸ்ட்ல பார்த்தோம் என்ட்ரி ஸ்டாப் பிலோ ஒன்று அடிச்சிருச்சு $1000 up but I am not execute the trade here the first trade stop loss hit ஓட நார்மல் இல்லை இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ட்ரேடோட ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் ஹிட் ஓட நார்மல் இட்ஸ் 5 minutes 15 minutes வரைக்கும் ஃபிரம் பண்ணிட்டாரு அதுதான் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு Ini tanah itu apa? Hi, bro. Yeah, bro. Vida భోజనాలు vida చేస్తున్నా Hello, bro. Hi, bro. How are you? Good, you? Good, bro. Yeah, मुझे लेक्चर पढ़ाएगा please. Five, five, 2.5 for मुझे लेक्चर पढ़ाएगा इवेंट का वो लेकर निकल गया गाड़ी लेके निकल गया ये दो टेंशन लेकर ट्रांसफर होगा गारंटी वाली इसकी वजह से इसकी थोड़ी सी देर शादी की वजह से कि मैं अपनी करूंगा दो टेंशन ले किसी और का भी नहीं करूंगा सीधा हो गया 5 साल खराब हो गया क्या लगता है मैं तो फिर भी चलो तो मुझे भगवान ने जो सही किया और जब भी मैंने माँ उसकी याद रखते हैं किसी ने कहा कितनी बार उसके बारे में सोचा होगा क्या यार अच्छा सोचा होगा उसके बारे में उसके बारे में तो चलो सोचा हो ना सोचा हो, खुद तो दुखी हुए होंगे ना किसी की वजह से तो दुखी हुए ना Yeah. Yeah. Get out. I'm joking, huh? Can I mix it? No, no, no. Mix it, yeah, this is what you plastic में वैसे करना चाहिए super good so do you have anything like solids like this yeah you don't sure for plastic for the cancer got it we make two more chapati noodles right yeah I have very easily
No, if you need fucking
अरे bro, you just to pee rasa. No, 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 leave it. Just leave it.
what?
No, no, it will take time. No, no, just leave. How to for this? Go. More than enough time. अरे आराम कर. Yeah, what a father. This is little bit for you. What है? We don't have to fill up. This is not totally for okay. So,
No. You can check now. I don't want to replace that.
okay, so we will read the passage. We flash. How many we told them? Nine. Why? How many? I थे की वाली की बात करी कि आटा वो हो गया कब because we need to read prophecy from now.
Yeah.
Do you know how many slides will be there in the final exam after the midterm only or the whole?
Whole.
He told us.
No. It will be like that.
No,
No. The whole semester.
in the last semester in the manufacturing. It's something like that.
We can ask in this week about that.
So we need to 1.178 1.178 1.17487.7.
Have you ever drink chai without milk? Cotton chai.
Yes. Plastic. Doon ako napakita. Ang puti. चलो मैं बात बैठ के हूँ नहीं आधा तो so I told you last time we don't remember that they were inside. Oh, you know the stone? Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, now you can compare by real market level.
I can't come near to you.
Oh, my, you food, you never know, my.
So,
Yeah, right.
you need plate?
No play. Just put the rice on the table. Take it.
No.
अरे वो चावल गरम कर रहा है इसको तो गरम कर रहा है क्यों करनी है क्या कर रहा है ब्रो इसको क्या गरम करना है इसको तो करती है
You want it?
ब्रो heat it up you want to heat this
No.
हाँ से अरे क्या मजा रहेगा कर लो कर भाई पर करने नहीं चाहिए इसमें ना क्लासी की आएगी
चलो फिर अगर चाहिए तो भाई it is the no bro we don't use why okay I'm not so already we don't get this well this is mine yeah what is this one yeah this one mm. It can be not scripted no good goodbye call good mm. super है
1.1
क्या बोलने वाला भाई
4.2 1.1 1.3 1.3
Today is difficult choice which is better chef who is better chef today is neck to neck competition but we will get the final result with the paneer paneer ah that's right yeah
1.345 1.34555
wow nice
and
yeah you think sometimes yeah kids will real okay tell you fast now no no very occasionally real yeah it's real I have never tasted yes and any kind of food and not well for personalized. Good. ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇದು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ವು ಬರೀ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ತೆರಿ ತೆರಿ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು Rice? No, bro, on dance. Huh? You, bro? Okay. I'll take. Take this. No. Anyway, but okay. क्लास में जाने का दोस्त को रहेगा कोई नहीं रहेगा क्लास में गाली है क्या अरे तो सॉन्ग है यार ये नहीं सुनी वो लड़का है ना जिसको से अभी कर रहे हैं मेरे को क्या पता चला तो रूम में और मेरे हाँ have you booked for that event what event is that ये तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं था फोटो में दिखेगा I don't know. But need this mic. Yeah. Shivam sent me that. What? Shivam, he sent me that. उसको सारे ऐसे पता चला. The juice. Mira, what is your village? What? You can search in Google. I will spell it. Okay, no, just tell me. Kasangad. Kasangad? Kasangad. You can see in the YouTube. Actually, that's it. That's it. Only G. 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 In Punjab, there are few villages which names and ends with ADV. Yeah. Gad, G-A-R-R-H. It sounds like Gad. It's Gadu. Yeah. Kasangadi. Oh, nice. Kasangadi. Pharmacy. Ah, nice. Which is the nearest city? Punjab? You know Punjab? You know? Punjab Badi Sarat Temple. Oh यार आज तो मेरी वो है स्पेक्सेवर की 3:40 पे अभी तो 11 है. What? I have a appointment for what? For my optical glasses. Ah, this is free for you, right? Yes. You also. We can take cooling glass. Glass. Ah, same as you don't have coconuts. Our main business is coconut. But in India, they don't have coconut. You don't use, right? Hmm? You usually don't use coconut for no, we use in sweets or coconut water, but we usually use for everything. Okay, no, the thing is that there is no harvesting of coconut. The main two crops, particularly in Punjab, is wheat and rice. Sugarcane? Yes, sugarcane. Wheat, rice, sugarcane. But these two are the most. Nah, this is a village or something? Temple. Temple. Mm. Same as Punjab. But nowadays we don't have. We don't have these kinds of road almost in another village. Every road is yeah, now it's well built and clean tiles. But I like these roads. old, uh, no old houses with no. Uh,
This is Panchayat Court.
uh,
Circuit bridge.
पहले जा सकते हैं कितना टाइम पहले जा सकते हैं और कर लो वाह नाइस और कर लो वहाँ पे 15-20 मिनट तो उसमें बोले हुआ
There's a break in the petrol.
Now you are going to article?
Yeah.
is but the appointment is at 3:40. I have to wait. Official video or no video? Oh, तो वहाँ सुन है मुझे देख बोले हुए mostly they're not as big very good. They are very big ones, but they are usually normal villain is not attractive. Nice. I like this thing. Nowadays, people really
Question comment.
Where is your home?
No, no, no,
Oh, oh my god, it's so good. Right. Selva C.
Right. That's actually really good.
Viswasi.
He is in Canada.
Oh, bro. I got my new roommate because I'm leaving, so there is a new roommate. His alarm is at 5.
Oh.
And he at least 3 or 4 times his alarm rings, then he wakes up. And my sleep is like that. If I just from the last 10 days I am suffering.
Level 34 was before
His mother from Punjab called him every morning to wake him up. Our mother be like, well, let's wake up, son. You have to go to work. Yeah, absolutely.
Atan Jaya? Diet.
Right.
Blood.
No, like.
It's good, bro. I don't have one.
Apple loaded everything.
Go ahead.
Shit.
See, one hand. ये लोग इधर क्यों लग रही है? ये भाई को जानते हैं। वो those are sections. Some very bought this as looking. From India. India. Yes. So ये काम निपटा अभी प्रोग्रामिंग की करते हैं मैं थोड़ी बहुत सेटिंग्स ही करके ना ग्रुप में डालूंगा है ना फिर बताने की इसमें क्या चीज ऐड करनी है उसका
Bro, I'm taking the content for advanced manufacturing. I will fill in the group.
I don't.
If you want to change anything, change it. I will make it PowerPoint.
जैसा पड़ी बोलेगा को बता दिया
उसकी ड्यू डेट तो 7th को है ना
क्या सुना